endless dreams float on soft and gentle streams. Feel the world dissolve away, embrace the night, forget the day. In this moment, pure and wide, you are safe where dreams reside. Listen to the silent song. Gently hum it all night long. Heart and soul